Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. Today is 26th of January, Tuesday 2021, and we had amazing trades and amazing volatility. Most of the traders bank up beautiful pips. All right, so let's dig into the system. Okay, so let me show you with you today's trading activities, and I'll show you how many pips one of my traders bank. Beautiful pips, right? All right, just to recap, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis and all the live analysis recording instantly available in the training session. Also analysis broadcast in the analysis section. And then as soon as the opportunity is raised based on the analysis, we broadcast that information instantly through live audio commentary and also in the analysis section. All right, so based on the today's analysis, you can see we had only few analysis, but we had amazing volatility. You can see banking pips. And one of my traders banked 237 pips. All right, so let me share with you his trade activity. So first trade, he made a -6 pips, and let me share with you his trade screenshot. That's his entry, and he exit as soon as the price reverse, which we explained to traders. Look for the consolidation breakout. Okay, so he made a right time exit. Then he took this one, the analysis which I mentioned yesterday. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Right, so this was the analysis I mentioned yesterday, which because we're watching in 4-hour. Look for the pullback short trade, and he took a pullback short trade because the momentum was bearish based on the analysis. If you look at here, this was the analysis I did yesterday, and you can see beautiful price developed double top, a beautiful pullback short trade as soon as the price hit the blue fib channel, and it being beautiful pips, 16 pips, dollar CAD long. Okay, so this was the another, because this was the analysis I did yesterday when I was broadcasting analysis review. After that, I did instantly analysis. Let me share with you that analysis here. You can see here, I mentioned to traders, like if the price gonna break this level, then we will consider it as a pullback. And he took a long trade, and you can see here bank beautiful 22 pips. Nice. You can see here, based on that, we were explaining it. And then 80 pips. Wow, pound dollar long trade. That was a beautiful pips, right? So okay, let me share with you. Okay, you can see here he entered this trade and bank beautiful as soon as the price hit to the final target. Okay, let me share with you in more details about this analysis, how we analyze, how basically I analyze it, and how I help these traders to bank this 80 pips. Because he opened two position, I believe. Yes, he banked 71 pips, and then the final target 80 pips, right? So let me share with you the 4-hour. I want to give you a little bit more details, guys, so just you will understand what I'm talking here. 4-hour, you can see here, even yesterday, as I mentioned you, that the possibility of breakout, which price nicely broken this morning at the London Open. So as soon as the price is reversed, you can see beautiful bearish rejection, and 1, 2, third touch. And after this candle, as soon as this candle perform, I broadcast another analysis quickly, as you can see here, because we were communicating it. You can see here around, just 4-hour candle was about to finish, and I broadcast this analysis, guys. We were looking this breakout, and based on the 4-hour, probably am I going to see, and momentum is developed bullish. Probably we're looking interesting big moves because we were watching in 4-hour. That time the price was this level. So he opened at two positions and bank 80 pips, beautiful. And the other one he closed at the 71 pips. You can see both of them based on that analysis, beautiful trades. Then he opened another one, is pound yen. This one again, we're watching in 4-hour. We explained to traders, guys, if you look at the bigger picture, you can see this is the head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder pattern. And let me share with you the 4-hour chart so you will understand. Yeah, you can see here after this beautiful rejection, this rejection, and we can see here beautiful. And I said to guys, look for the, and you can see wedge breakout, and I did another analysis instantly Let me share with you my analysis. This is the analysis. You can see it at that time 11 GMT, just before I closed my London morning session. So look for the breakout. Momentum was developing bullish because that's what I said, inverted head and shoulder pattern. Beautiful. So you can see here bank another 34 pips on pound yen. Beautiful trade. Then we had 18 pips again. This one is a counter short trade. You can see here, beautiful, based on the analysis. Okay, so he made, why he closed this 80 pips here? Let me share with you the story behind it. You can see we had this long trade here. We explained that the final target would be this daily resistance. And as soon as the price hit, we explained to bank some profit, and he banked 80 pips, and instantly I did that, the possibility of counter short trade, which I did here. You can see here, let me share with you. Yeah, that's the one. You can see here counter short trade, because we were watching in a 4 hour. This is exactly based on the 4 hour. And then we look at in intraday, does it make sense? You can see here, yes, price nicely respected this resistance trend line, and beautiful counter short trade and bank. As soon as the price hit to the orange EMA, we were expecting price might going to pull back, and he opened a 2 position again. He banked 18 pips, and all the traders came out at the break even. You can see here price reversed nicely. So altogether 237 pips. Is only trading in a few pairs. This is all these trades, as you can see, are 100% based on the analysis which we broadcast and shares with all of our traders. So you can see that if he managed to bank 237, the informations I broadcast instantly. So I'm pretty sure all of the other traders have banked beautiful pips. We had amazing trades today. All right, guys, so let's back to the certain analysis. I'm just going to be giving you this information. We can see here, this was the analysis, because again, we were watching in 4 hours. This is very, very important. We look at a high time frame, and this intraday system basically help us to follow. You can see momentum was bearish, so we were expecting a breakout short trade. You can see after that, we announced all these pullback, beautiful short trades. And let me share with you the 4 hour charts before when this candle performed. You can see here reversal, and as soon as the price broken, you can see here double top at the resistance, beautiful. And that's what I did analysis at this. You can see here around 11 o'clock of when the 4 hour candle is finished, because 10 o'clock the 4 hour candle finished. So then we did this analysis, beautiful trade. And not only this one, after that I did another analysis that look for, if you miss that one, you can join that trade on the pullback, and then we have another beautiful pips on the pullback. You can see here this one again, this was another one based on that. That's what we explained, that as soon as the price develop another pattern, we broadcast that information. We're trying to help our traders to maximum, take a maximum benefit. So you can see if you miss that one, breakout, pullback, which you constantly announce through live documentary. Euro USD, this was again beautiful trade. I just mentioned to bank some profit. You can see the price nicely hit to the previous high. And Euro pound, this was a pretty straightforward. You can see consolidation breakout, beautiful short trade. Pound dollar, that's one, the counter short trade I just mentioned you. Pound yen, beautiful breakout long trade. He already banked 34 pips on this one. And dollar yen, this was again a very small breakout trade on dollar yen. Gold, we have another breakout short trade, beautiful pips on gold. And pound dollar, these are the morning analysis. You can see here beautiful pips. Kiwi dollar, we had an amazing breakout. You can see here beautiful long trade. We have an Aussie dollar, beautiful breakout trade. You can see here that was a beautiful trade, which we explained to trader. Beautiful, because again we're watching in 4 hour both Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar. Let me share with you. You can see in 4 hour, as soon as this candle develop, and I say, guys, price is respecting this level, don't want to break the previous low. That's the good sign. Now we're going to be looking along. So where we should be looking along. So I did this analysis and we bank beautiful pips on this one, both on Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all this analysis, and if you would like to see all that analysis in real time, if you would like to bank all that pips every single day, you can see all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which we share instantly. If you would like to see all that trade updates and analysis, real-time updates alongside with the fundamental informations, market sentiment, so feel free to join my fast growing trader community. Even if you are an experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all that pips. All right, guys, we also provide full forex coaching and training to all the novice traders, so most welcome to join my fast growth trader community. If you need any help in forex trading, I'm also offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, so feel free if you have any question or if you have would like to join my team. All the best, have a nice evening and stay blessed. I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best, take care.